Excuse me on the tier. Spence on la tira. Program time.
Yo, mis saludos y respetos. Full flag. Beach Panseko Tlok Deshba. Greetings to all. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. And hey, what can I say? Who don't know this essay right here on this side of the screen? My name is Manny, that Jaguar Paul. Yeah. Mucho gusto. That's right. Welcome to the channel, homie. Anyhow, so today I'm gonna bring to the table something a little different. I believe every human being has a story, and after a while, open up a couple doors where you become a shrink or a psychologist, almost like an ear where they open up and vent, and it's vice versa. It's a mutual thing. Sometimes little things here and there that are bothering you, you just let out, and it's like almost like, whoa, what did I just do? I gotta keep it professional. After a while, you tend to grow alike to these different human beings, different cultures, ages. A lot of old people that had different walks of life. And I always give them that opportunity, when they open up themselves, like, okay, cool, I'm gonna listen to this person. And then when I know they're on to something, or I believe, that they got a gift of, you want to call it glib, Torika, Wuti Woo Woo. It's like, all right, cool. You know what? Man, this will be good right here, man. Hey, do you mind? You know what I mean? Put you out there just so my people could listen to your message. Individuals sometimes have that third eye. They're awake. They could see the manipulations. They could see that we're not alone in this world. Nowadays, I know that the art of reading is been drifting away, but I do recommend little homies or homies out there, homegirls, pick up a book every now and then, man. Believe me, man, I didn't know how to read. I didn't like reading. I see a book, I get lost. Like, how do I do this? Where do I start? Unfortunately, isolation, doing time, I had no choice but to force myself to read. If not, I believe I would have probably lost it. Anyways, now it got to the point where even back there when I was in the shoe, it's like you look forward to reading these novels. They're like movies. Your imagination. You start exercising your thoughts, your mind, and it's almost like, man, I can't wait. Hey, let me get that part two. You exchange books with other homies, that are doing time as well, and they get the first half, and then check this out, man. Sometimes we're low on material back there, so we cut them books in half. So okay, the homie next door to me, or even my bunkie or my Sally, here, you read. You start with this half, and I'll start with the second half, and we'll switch off. Hey, all it matters is to keep the mind occupied, and fuck it, you go with it. Anyways, back to the sub. Yeah, like I said, this individual, very cool, had a good point. I don't know how many of you believe in aliens. Yeah. Well, you guys are interested in more topics of aliens, conspiracy? Man, I got a bunch of theories to provide something that's gonna blow your mind, like with Bible prophecies and all that. Like I tell people, just because you read a book on Buddhism, it doesn't mean that you're gonna believe in it, or it doesn't mean that you're you gotta go by that. No, I mean, you gotta be open-minded and go with it and read it because you're educating. Remember, your mind is like a computer. You're downloading everything. And down the line, let's see, something comes up where you meet let's say, for example, a nice-looking chick, and maybe she practiced that meditation, awareness, Buddhism, and she's on a special diet, and you knowing all this, man, my boy, you're able to conversate, switch, what I mean, back and forth, little feedback. She's gonna be like, wow, this motherfucker, sophisticated gangster.
Yay!
You don't know how many women like bad boys out there, but when you got them brains, my boy, added to that, ooh, that's a plus, homie. Serio. Believe that. Like I said, homie, we can't discriminate. Any type of book, any type of knowledge, any type of material out there that could enlighten and add to your ammo in a mental form. Hey, more power to you, homeboy. Let's get down to this, homie. This vato allegedly got kidnapped by the aliens.
Oh no!
Yeah, allegedly this vato got kidnapped by aliens, homie, or abducted. Call it what you wanna call it. Let's get to it. You be the judge. With that said, get your little popcorn, your pisto, your churrito, whatever's clever. Que no? I'm no red shoe. You need some energy, homie? Serio? This bud's for you, it's sick. Come on, homie. You ready, dog? Look, I do this for energy. This positive vibes, camarada. Positive vibes, homeboy. Function energy I could send through this little camera, this little YouTube. So, listo? Did you get it? You feel it, homie?
Walking around me. She said her stress level was 23. She said, oh, it just went up to 23.2. And I heard her, she's a white lady, orange suit. Next thing you know, I hear a guy talking behind me, but I didn't see him. Next thing you know, bro, they was talking about something. I forgot, you know what I mean? But that part I remember. Yeah. Next thing you know, bro, I saw this flying saucer go up into this gigantic mothership, probably as big as Lancaster. Wow. Next thing you know, I wake up, but was asleep. So I lean up on the couch. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Here come my girlfriend out the living room. That's odd for me to wake up and she come out the wake up. That don't happen. But I ain't got time to think about that, but I did catch that. Right. So I said, babe, I had this weird dream. I said, oh, wait a minute. I said, but I didn't feel like I was asleep. I said it was this lady. She said in a horse. I'm like, I looked at my lady. Oh shit. Yeah, see what I mean? I'm like, yeah. What? She said my stress level was 23, and it went up to 23.2. My lady said, she said mine was 19. We ain't in no same dream, bro. Now, come on now. Next thing you know. And then I said, I said it was a white lady with an orange. Well, she said orange before I did. I said, and then I saw this. She said, flying saucer go up into the mothership. I'm like, yeah. I said, what's going on? She said, Marlon, damn. I believe we were abducted. She said she looked out the window last night and saw a bright light coming, and the next thing she knows, she was laying on the table. And my brother experienced the same thing like 7, 8 years ago. He was telling me. Mine happened like 5 years ago, and I actually already believed that there were UFOs anyway. Yeah, and my brother-in-law told me it'd be a bright light coming, and they got some kind of chip or something. I got to sort of check in myself, you know what I mean? Yeah, they're out there, bro. They're there. Yeah.
You haven't checked yourself, like maybe?
Yeah, I did. That's all I started doing, checking myself.
Yeah.
Putting kind of chips in it, but they most likely gonna make it where you can't find it. You know?
I mean, look, bro, like if they already came for you once,
they come again.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't had one since then. But
and I mean, like, there's something. I mean, I mean, out of thousands, millions of people, if they came and got you, bro, there's something that they're,
Something they want.
yeah, you got something, a gift, you're something special, man. You know what I mean?
Number one, I'm Christ the soldier.
There you go.
About them.
Amen.
Number two, bro, to be honest with you, I'm not from this planet. No, really, I mean, you might think it's crazy.
No,
I'm not
hey.
from another planet. But it's a good life story. It's a long story that I can tell you when you're gonna understand, but we don't have time.
Man, you gotta write a book. or get a YouTube channel going, man.
It's way deeper than that, bro.
Because a lot of people like to hear stuff like this, man. You know, because there's a lot of people that experience this. Yeah, they've been abducted too. I heard a lot of stories, bro.
Looking at a man right here in your backseat that was abducted. Wasn't high, wasn't drunk, none of that.
Yeah.
Nothing. And some people think, oh yeah, right, okay, I told you. Humans, bro. They got, and then I listened to this radio show called Judge Nuri. You ever heard of him?
Nah.
Okay, on KFI, 10 o'clock at night. They talk about stuff like that, the paranormal, demons, God, resurrection, everything. You know what I mean? The people come back to the animal.
What's the radio station?
KFI.
KFI. The number, you don't know the number?
640.
6:40
10
a.m.
o'clock, AM. 10 o'clock at night to 2. They talk about you name it, bro. Everything.
I like stuff.
Ghosts, demons, God, Satan, UFOs, everything. You name it. Everything is paranormal. Yeah, but I didn't get none of mine from that. And then I heard another guy talking. He said, yes, there are humans out there. And I've already experienced it. So that's another guy. So I gotta be right.
Wow.
Yeah, they're humans, man, like us. Out there. In motherships and spaceships, man, yes.
They look like us, did.
Yes.
Yeah.
The lady was a white lady. But you remember Wonder Woman a long time ago?
Yeah, the original one.
The pretty one?
Yeah, the original.
She looked like her, but a little older. Just like that.
Damn.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
She looked like that. She's probably in about late 40s, early 50s. The UFO lady. Yeah. Orange suit. Yeah, I done seen the guy. He was talking though. And she was a white lady.
You don't remember them talking to you, or like?
Yeah, I remember them. I couldn't talk. I was laying on the table.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I was laying on the table, bro, and she was walking around me, saying it's stressed up.
You couldn't talk. You were trying to move.
No, I wasn't trying to do nothing. Yeah, it seemed like they got my conscience or something.
Because I've had dreams like that where I'm laying down and I'm stuck, bro, and I'm
trying to move. It was just like, I was there, like, they took my conscience from me or something.
Yeah.
She walked around and said, and then look, my girlfriend, hers was 19. She saw everything I saw. She said she saw a bright light coming. I said she was so late.
So she had the same dream.
It wasn't no dream.
Yeah, no, I know. You guys are abducted, but like,
right,
yeah.
It did us both.
You were tripping out because she said everything that you saw. That
before I did. She saw the mothership going to the space cover. Yep. It was a trip. Let me put it to it. They went fast. They went, gigantic mothership, bro. Big as you can see.
So they took both of you, Was it nighttime or daytime?
Yeah, about 2 in the morning.
Oh,
yeah.
You know, that's when they say that everything happens. Like the demons come out, like around 2 or 3 in the morning. That's when everything happens. All that shit manifests. Wow.
It's a trip, but I knew that there was something out there before that. But now I know for a fact then, even though I never seen it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Come on, man. God created the universe. There's other wars in other planets too, not just this one. Another thing, they say they don't see none of that planet. They lying, bro. Number one.
In other planets?
They say they don't see anything, can't find out. But watch this. Remember, it's a spiritual thing.
Right.
Our eye can't see it. But that don't mean nothing is there, because look at the stuff that's around us that we cannot see.
We can't see,
just like the Bible says, the things that are seen, the things that are unseen, and the things that are in the sea. Another one, Colossians say, God created all things, the visible and invisible. And then you got somebody with experience like me, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That saw it and went through it. That lets you know right there.
Man,
it's so much, man, bro.
That's deep right there, bro.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's the demons everywhere, man.
Shit, that's good stuff right there, man.
I wouldn't say you were lying, man. I'm a soldier. I wouldn't lie to you, man.
And I see you, man. I see your eyes, man, you know.
You should be able to tell by my voice. Just a lot of people that have experience that just don't really believe me.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, man, this world is something else, bro. They got demons from Satan's kingdom. The Bible tells universe. You know what I mean?
Just the
Everything, yeah.
just the human, our body, man. How everything has a part and everything functions
Your heart,
together.
your liver, your lungs, your veins.
Without the heart, or maybe let's say the kidney, the body cannot function.
You know what I mean?
You know, so there was a superpower, a creative mind that created.
Most powerful.
Yes.
Not the most powerful in the earth. The most powerful throughout space, throughout time, and throughout the whole universe. Because they haven't even explored the whole universe yet.
Yeah.
Now they're trying to say there's millions of planets. See what I mean?
That look like Earth, right? That have water too.
They got one that look just like Earth, but it's nothing but water. It's nothing but water.
See, there's gotta be life.
Then they got that other one called, there's a whole bunch of them, man. Remember when it was coming up? All I had was Pluto, Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, Earth, Neptune, Jupiter, you know what I mean?
Pluto.
Man, there's all kind of planets out there. Because now we got the technology. Make a left in there.
To go deep
Right there.
out there, huh?
Now they got the
The
technology
telescope. Yeah.
to look further.
You got them big telescopes.
Yeah, but they can't never see to the end. And then there's other dimensions up there. So what you have, bro?
Wow, infinity, huh?
Yes.
Infinity and beyond.
And you can best believe, bro, we're not the only ones.
I know that.
I think a lot of people are really starting to realize that now. Because a lot of stuff is coming to light now.
It's coming out. It's on social media, bro.
Jesus Christ is on its way.
That's it. End of time.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Okay. And I hope you
All right. Yeah. Man. I like that, bro. Hell yeah.
6:40 a.m. 10 o'clock at night. Sometimes they talk about stuff I don't want to hear, but a lot of times.
Okay, I'm gonna check that out, man. I got it.
Okay.
From the outside, yeah, there you go. Damn, that was deep. That's some interesting stuff. Crazy.